Hi there, George here. Today I'm going to show you a new plant in my collection. It's Ficus Elastica. This beauty, you can see, so beautiful leaves, shiny leaves, was gifted to me by my cousin. Thanks so much. I sent him back and that's it, and I put it in water, this cutting here, and did grow roots already, and so nice roots as you can see. I will show you close up, but so vigorously was grow these roots, and in this video I'm gonna plant it in the soil, and so nice to have ficus at home. Well, I have almost all plants in my collection was gifted to me by friends, subscribers, and that's it. I will plant this ficus in this pot, nice size, amazing, and we will see how it will grow for me. So let's do that. So here is the beauty, look at it close up, how it looks like. Leaves are very beautiful, and here we can see will start to grow very soon. This branch will grow and will be nice. We will see, I will update you. So look at the roots, they are very was grow such like vigorously, and that's it, amazing. But I have to plant them careful, and we will see how will develop. So nice, these leaves, shiny, amazing looks like. Such a great gift from my cousin. Awesome, this will start to grow in the future. That's it, and this leaf how it looks like. I'm ready to plant this beauty in the soil. Let's do that. In this pot I already added potting soil. Up here I will add a little bit, and after that I will plant the ficus here, and we will see will look beautiful. So this is a universal potting soil bought from market, and that's it. I added sand and I watered a little bit. The soil is good. Now let's add a little here yet, and are ready to plant this beauty here. It's just perfect. And now let's add soil above, and we will see. So I'm finished, and it's very beautiful in this pot. I have to water a little bit, and we will see in the future how it will grow. The water should be at room temperature and not directly from the tap. So let's water it just a little bit. Ready. I'm so happy it grow roots on this ficus, and I planted in this pot and will be very nice. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. Have an amazing day. Greetings from Moldova. Subscribe to my channel if you want, and put like. See you next time. Bye bye.